Today, I'm going to show you how we can just do the task in the Azure. So this is the URL. You can see portal.azure.com. And this is the My Dashboard. In My Dashboard, I can see everything. I can see this is a Windows virtual machine. This is a Linux virtual machine. This is all tutorials, and this is all resources and all subscription mentioned here. So I'm going to click on refresh. When I click on the refresh, and then what I'm going to do, I just click on the virtual machine. When I click on the virtual machine, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to see all the features. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click here in the network settings. It shows me all the details of the virtual machine, which I am going to tell you. So the IP, private IP address it shows the network interface. And when I just go down and here is the security. And when I just go down, here is a monitoring. When I just click on the logs, it shows that get more visibility into health and the performance of your virtual machine. I just click on enable. When I click on enable, and then it shows to me this guest performance enable processes and the dependence map is here. So I'm going to cancel for a while. So what I'm going to do it to show you that these are the features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect. Either you can connect with the Boston. It takes time. So Azure Boston protects your virtual machine by secure and seamless RDP and SSH. RDP we use when we are going to use the Windows operating system, like Windows servers, any kind of which is related to the Microsoft product. And when you're going to use the Linux operating system or Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, then you use the SSH. So this is the very clear concept. Now what I'm going to do, I just click on the connect. And when I just click on the connect, it just show me here, download RDP file. I just click on the download RDP file and just click here. And then it shows that the publishers of these remote connections can't be identified. Do you want to connect anyway? This remote connection could harm your local or remote computer. Do not connect unless you know where this connection came from or have it. So this is instructions given at publishers, unknown publisher. Don't ask me again for connection to this computer. So I just click on the show details. I click on the connect and it takes me to the credential will be used to connect. This public IP is mentioned here, and I'm going to use my password. I hope this password will work. And now I am going to enter in the virtual machine. So this is the virtual machine. This is the local servers. This is the old servers. This is the file and storage. Everything is mentioned here. Now, these are the tools. These are the manage, add rules, and the features you can add. You click here in the next, and then click on the next, and click on the next. So what are the features you're going to configure here on this machine? Is Active Directory certificate, services, domain services. This is all Active Directory where then is a file and the storage service. Also, Hyper-V is also the virtual tool. Network controller is also available there. The web servers is also here. So in Apache, because Windows, if you use the Windows, they don't have the Apache server. Apache is more you can find the Linux Ubuntu, but here you find the Microsoft, just their own web server is IIS, and then the web development services, the Windows Server update service. So these are all the features. When I click in the features, there also shows all the features here. So what I'm going to do is cancel it for a while. That's I want to show you how it works. I just click on the dashboard. I click on the local servers. It shows all the features and the remote management enabled. That's why we connected. Remote desktop is also there. So this is the we can see here. Now we click on the um, a PC. When I click on the when it's look on the PC is not here. And then what to do? Click on the server manager. So this is server manager we were before, and we click here, and then the PC is here. And we go in the properties, and when we go on the properties, it shows your PC's monitors and protected, and it shows the device name is Windows 1, and the also it shows the processor is 2.79 gigahertz. It's a good one. The RAM is 3.45 gigabyte. It's okay. It should be 8. And I recommend 16 gigabit because I'm using a personal computer that's a 16 gigabit, but it depends on the application. But here we are not using big applications, then I think 3.45 gigabyte, it's enough. Device ID is also here, product ID is also mentioned here. And also here you can see this is the Windows Server 2022 Data Center Azure Edition. So we are using, and then we click on the storage. It shows that how much we have hard drive is already used, and the how much is left. 115 gigabyte is free. And then we click on the multitask, and then we see in sound and many display settings. All that's very normal one. It's not very much complicated. We go on the networking and the status, Ethernet, and all these things features are here. And then it's a very good sign. And then we'll look on account. And then it's a Barber 2024, the local administrator. So when we go in the CMD command, and it shows when you say IP config, and it shows the IP and everything, IP config /all. It shows everything, the MAC address and everything. Then it's clear. I think it should work. I don't know why. CD. Okay. So CD users, when you click here, then we see the directory. The directory is the Barber 0202. When you see Barber 2024, and then directory, it shows many files in the Barber folder. So this is all about the virtual machine we are using in the Azure. And also what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back in the in the Windows, and the what I'm going to do, I just click on the IAM is access control. And when I go in the access control, it shows to me that the role assignment role, deny assignments, classic. I just go back to the dashboard. I've seen everything here. And then I just click on the service health. When I click on the service health of that virtual machine, it shows to me that no service issue found. Okay. If you look his health history in the past, it shows everything and no even found. So it's no errors, nothing, don't need to worry about that. So if you click on alerts and the health alerts, what we're gonna, so you just have to wait. No alerts rules found here. So what I'm going to do, and also the other option is there's a clear filters. So we're not going to do anything because nothing is here, is nothing shows here. So we just go back to dashboard, and then we just go back to the virtual machine, and then we go back to the virtual machine. And what we're going to do, we're going to stop that virtual machine. It shows the massive deallocations operations usually complete within 1 or 2 minutes, but may take up to 90 minutes. In some cases, you can leave the page and track the Viva notification. I just click on stop, and then it takes time, and so you can see the message. Your remote desktop session service session has ended. Remote computer is shutting down. So this is the one I wanted to show you, how you could just use your virtual machine in the Azure premises. And if we use the Windows server, then we use the RDP. And if we use the Linux, then we use the SSH. And also SSH we use for the Ubuntu and for Debian, all the Linux flavor, and Windows also used for the RDP. I hope this lecture is useful, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like my video. If you have any comments, you can leave your comments in the comment sections. Till then, till now, I just have to say bye and good night. Take care. Bye.